Did you know some kids can bake their feelings into food? Meet Amélie, a young baker's daughter from Paris who discovered her amazing power by accident. When she's happy, her croissants taste like pure sunshine. But when she's angry, her soup turns bitter as poison. One terrible day, she baked heartbreak cookies for the school sale. The entire cafeteria started crying uncontrollably. Amélie panicked but quickly whipped up Joy macarons to save everyone. She learned that with great power comes great responsibility, especially in the kitchen.